Here we go again.
Here we go again. We are going out on the first recovery with the new wrecker. It's actually going to be my second recovery with this truck, just my first one since I've owned this truck. Now, do you remember it was actually the last recovery video I posted of a minivan way out to the east, stuck on a dirt hill in the powder silt real bad?
That was the handicapped guy?
Nope.
Did they have a trailer?
Nope.
Oh, was that the couple that were way out down that? No.
Nope, not that one either.
Kind of flew. He tried to go up a hill and slid back down the hill?
Yep.
Okay.
That would be them. So, but this time, they're not in the minivan because the minivan blew up. This time, they're in an F-250 with a 35-foot fifth wheel travel trailer hooked to the back. On that same hill, slid backwards.
Oh, because they couldn't make it up that hill. They should have gone.
So, I got a little more info on why they're out there. I wondered that last time, just like all you did, but I don't like to get into other people's business, so I didn't ask. But turns out they live on a very remote ranch out there, so that's basically their driveway. And now they're trying to get their fifth wheel trailer out of there, get back in closer to town, and they didn't make it out. So we're taking the wrecker, we're gonna go get them. But first, we gotta get some diesel. And this is the only store in town.
And this is the town.
Yeah, and this is the whole town. This is the town we live in. So we are headed to the top of that mountain over there, then down to the bottom on the other side, then over the top of the next one past that, and then down to the bottom of that one, I think.
I hope you know where you're going.
We'll figure it out. Alright, the last time we're going to see pavement for quite a while.
Yeah.
That's a little bit rougher in this truck than it was in the Jeep.
That I wouldn't stick my tongue out at you.
Alright, so we turned off the main dirt road onto the secondary dirt road. We got all the way to the end of the secondary dirt road, where we turn off to the middle of nowhere dirt road. Hub's locked in, ready to roll?
Yep, let's go.
Let's go.
I wonder how that thing loaded it.
And doing this job is worth it just to watch a fifth wheel come out of here.
Yeah.
So everybody tells me I need to flip these mirrors out the other way around how they're supposed to be. There's a reason they are the way they are.
We're off-road, not highway.
Keep them narrow. So Mr. Grumpy over there recently had a knee surgery, which is why he's been gone for so long. And it ain't healing up so easy, which is why he's been gone for so long. So he can stay in the truck and run the camera. I'll get the gate. So this is all public land that we're going out through now to get out to them, and that is a range gate. This is all open range cattle land. Different cattle ranchers run their cattle out here, like the ranch that these people live on. And so in different places of public land, you'll see gates like that and fences, which is used to separate cattle in different pastures and stuff like that. So if the gate's closed, you leave it closed. If it's open, you leave it open. Oh, is that them?
Looks like it might be. No.
No, that's someone else.
Okay.
How's it going? Oh, it's right there.
Huh?
Same hill as last time, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
But I had in four-wheel drive, and we hooked onto him. I mean, I called him before I even tried it to come out of it. There's no way.
Well, we'll spin around right here and see what we can do. All right.
Nice.
Oh, that's a nice one too. Yeah, we're gonna shut this down right here. We'll take a look at what we got. How come you're so nice and that little one's so mean? All right, this is... Well, you actually made it a little farther than you did in the minivan. I think the minivan was down by that tree. All right, so this is the same hill. The minivan, I think, was right here is where it made it. Actually, right there is where it made it. And then we pulled it up here, so the truck made it a bit farther. So they live on the family's cattle ranch. It's way out farther back in this country. And they're moving out before winter sets in because here in another month or so, once the rains start and the snow comes in, you're either in there for 6 months or out of it for 6 months. So they're trying to make their way out for 6 months. So, we'll spin the truck around, get hooked on him, and see what we can do to get him up the hill.
Casey's going up the hill to set up the tow, and this is how they're buried. What Casey's going to do is tie off to that other truck for additional support. Oh, he's pulling out of line because he's going to snatch block it down there.
Tire on the pickup, it was buried, well, clear up to the axle.
Oh, it happens to all of us.
We use both winch lines and we marry the lines together down there. So by running them both down, running one through the snatch block and then hooking the two together, you pull the short side one up and now you've got double the pulling power. But when it comes all the way up, then you pull the other one in and you bring it all the way up. Because if I just use one line and do that, I can only reach half as far.
Yeah, see, that'll help bring the front end up.
I know the Lord for a lot of years. I know what this is all about.
Oh, yeah, he's coming. You got to go real slow. You can't. You're off the ground. Lifting. He's digging another hole.
Just throw a little bit of slack. Yeah. Not as much as we started with.
I got the Yankum rope pulling it.
That saved a lot of winching. I have to winch the whole rest of the way up.
Yeah.
You ready for the rest of this?
Yeah, I'm ready for it.
Not done yet.
I told her we were going to get her out of here. Make sure they get out.
We'll get it out. Okay.
Well, thank you.
Yep. Do you think the record was worth it?
I think it was worth it.
How's your knee feel walking up that hill?
I was getting ready to stop.
I'd have come back and pulled you up with the Yankum rope.
I know you would have, but anyway, I made it up there, stopped in the shade for a couple of minutes.
That is a whole lot of trailer out here. And I give him a lot of props for getting that fifth wheel out of here in one piece. Even if he had to be pulled up the hill, just the fact that he made the rest of it is pretty impressive. Alright, he's on the kind of better gravel road now. Alright, so you're all good from here.
Yeah, thanks a lot.
No problem. Alright, time to turn on the air conditioner. There we go. It works extra good when you're wearing shorts. Alright, we made it back to town. Let's see how much money I can spend at the alfalfa store in one day. Get another round of fuel. Alright, well, we got here to the alfalfa store to get some fuel. Customer just pulled up right there, so they made the rest of that gravel road, which means we are good to go home. A little bit of winching, a little bit of Yankum rope with the bigger 1-inch rope.
And up the hill we went.
Up the hill we went. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed that, and we'll see you next time. You did good, truck. You did good.